Welcome back to CodeCraft Promax. Today we are going to compare Node.js, FastAPI and Django REST Framework from a practical business point of view. The goal is not to find trendiest framework. The goal is to choose the backend that solves your problem with the least complexity. These infographics compare built-in features, best use cases, and the final verdict for all the three backend options. Node.js is just strong for real-time products. FastAPI is excellent for Python API services. Django REST Framework is strongest for complete business system. Node.js is powerful when you need complexity, WebSockets, streaming, notification, and JavaScript end-to-end development experience. The main trade-off with Node.js is that many enterprise features are not built in. Your team must design the structure and choose packages carefully. FastAPI is one of the best choices when you want a clean Python API with automatic documentation, validation, and async support. FastAPI is not a complete business application framework by default. It may need extra tools for admin and enterprise workflows. Django REST Framework is usually the strongest option when the projects need many business features from day one. The features table is important because business projects usually fail when common features take too much custom development time. For authentication, Django REST Framework has the strongest built-in foundation. Node.js and FastAPI are flexible, but they need more setup. For admin panels, Django is clearly the fastest starting point because the admin interface is included with the framework. For database-heavy business systems, Django ORM is a major advantage because it is integrated with the rest of the framework. For validation, FastAPI and Django REST Framework both give strong building patterns. Node.js usually depend on a chosen validation library. For API documentation, FastAPI has a very strong advantage because interaction API docs are automatic. For common business features like files, email, and caching, Django usually gives the fastest enterprise-ready starting point. A simple way to decide is this: Node.js for real-time, FastAPI for Python API services, and Django REST Framework for full business application. One big mistake is comparing only performance. In real projects, maintenance, security, team skills, and built-in features matters just as much. As a technical lead or architect, choose the framework based on business requirement, team skills, and long-term maintainability. Choose Node.js when real-time communication and JavaScript ecosystem flexibility are more important than built-in business features. Choose FastAPI when your project is Python first, API first, and needs clean documentation, validation, and high performance. Choose Django REST Framework when the goal is to build a complete business application with many standard features already available. Use a decision tree instead of arguing about which framework is best. Start from the business problem, then select the tool that fits the problem. For an ERP style system, Django REST Framework is usually the fastest default because it reduces custom work around common business features. For an AI service or machine learning API, FastAPI is usually a very strong choice because it fits the Python ecosystem naturally. For live chat, notification, and streaming workloads, Node.js is usually a strong fit because real-time communication is a core strength. Django REST Framework is the most complete. FastAPI is the best for Python API performance, and Node.js is best for real-time flexibility. Do not ask which framework is always best. Ask which framework solves your business problem with least complexity.